ClickFunnels Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to ClickFunnels and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. ClickFunnels is a comprehensive funnel building tool that's perfect for dropshippers who want to streamline their sales process, convert leads, and maximize revenue. With ClickFunnels, you can create custom sales funnels to guide customers through every step of the buying journey, from landing pages to checkout and upsell offers. It's designed to simplify the process of building high-converting sales pages without needing to know any code. Who is it for? ClickFunnels is made for dropshippers, e-commerce businesses, and marketers who want to automate their sales process. It's particularly useful for those looking to create high-converting sales funnels, automate customer journeys, and integrate email marketing or retargeting efforts into one seamless flow. Key features include drag-and-drop funnel builder, pre-designed funnel templates, email integrations, automated follow-ups, and A/B testing. ClickFunnels also allows you to easily set up product pages, order forms, and upsell-downsell sequences, great for increasing your average order value. Strengths: one of ClickFunnels' strongest features is its ability to build fully functional sales funnels quickly. The drag-and-drop editor makes it easy for even beginners to create professional-looking pages. Pre-built funnel templates are perfect for dropshipping businesses, saving you time on designing your sales process. ClickFunnels' ability to integrate with payment systems, email platforms, and other tools ensures that you can manage your entire customer journey seamlessly. The upsell and downsell options also help boost your revenue by offering additional products after the initial purchase. Weaknesses: ClickFunnels is powerful, but it comes at a price. It's on the higher end in terms of cost, which may be a concern for smaller dropshipping businesses. Additionally, while it offers a lot of customization, it doesn't specialize in product sourcing, fulfillment, or inventory management, so you'll need to use other platforms for those parts of the business. Some users may also find the learning curve a bit steep when first setting up their funnels. Final verdict: ClickFunnels is an excellent tool for dropshippers looking to automate and optimize their sales funnels. It's perfect for creating high-converting sales pages, upsell flows, and automated marketing campaigns. However, it's not a one-stop shop for all dropshipping needs and may not be the best option for those on a tight budget. If you want to boost your conversions and streamline your sales process, ClickFunnels is definitely worth considering.